Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to delete invitation messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the messaging icon in the top right corner to go to your direct messages. Here, you'll see your list of conversations. Find the invitation message you want to delete. This is usually a message from someone who you haven't chatted with before. Once you're in a conversation, tap and hold on the invitation message. As you can see, there is no delete option among these. So in the conversation, tap on View Profile to open the contact's profile. On their profile page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From this menu, select Block. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Tap Block again to confirm. The user will now be blocked and the invitation message will now be deleted from your direct messages. Let's go back to your messages and delete the invitation. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an invitation message on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.